Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we got a pretty sweet little low ABV cocktail coming for you. This cocktail is made with Dry Amontillado Sherry. And that's pretty much it. It's also made with a little bit of simple syrup, some orange slices, and in this case, we're gonna switch it up and do blood orange slices. This is a simple but refreshing one. This is the Sherry Cobbler. All right, so like I said, we are making a Sherry Cobbler. This cocktail, I believe it was invented around like the 1830s, something give or take. And it's a very simple one. So find yourself a good bottle of Dry Amontillado Sherry and some nice oranges. Today, I'm gonna use some blood oranges. I feel like this will be a nice little twist on the traditional Sherry Cobbler using regular oranges. So really all we gotta do for prep work today is make some simple syrup and slice up some oranges. So let's just go ahead and jump right into that prep work. All right, starting it off, we gotta make this simple syrup. Simple 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup. Gail, figure it out, there we go. I'm gonna go 250 grams of sugar. If you see a streak in my sugar, it's because I mixed two different sugars, and unbleached and then, traditional sugar cane. So don't be alarmed, sugar has not gone bad. All right, 250 grams of sugar into the pot. And 250 grams of water, equal parts, 1-to-1 ratio. There it is. 250 grams of sugar, water. Already did the sugar. That was 250 grams of water. All right, let's kick that burner on to a medium-high heat. Give this a nice little stir. Make sure it's all well incorporated. And you're gonna wanna bring this up to a nice little simmer. Allow all that sugar to dissolve. And our simple syrup will be ready to go. While I'm waiting on my simple syrup, I am gonna go ahead and slice up one of my blood oranges because I will need it. So, ends off. And let's cut it this way. Oh yeah, it's a nice dark color on that blood orange. So I'm gonna cut a couple of slices here. That way I have some for garnish, I have some from shaking in the cocktail. And we got our nice little half wheels here, which we're gonna be using for garnish and to throw into the shaker. Let's get these into a container, my extra. All right, give this a little stir. We got our sugar starting to simmer. It's all starting to dissolve. Waiting on that to finish up. I'm just gonna grab a container, some blue tape, label and date. Super important, that way you always know what's in your refrigerator. You don't get confused. And you know when it was made. Pick that off the heat. Simple syrup looks good. Let's just pour her up. There it is, guys. Our simple syrup. I give it up to a month in the refrigerator for shelf life. All right, guys, that was it for all the prep work. I went ahead and put my simple syrup in this cheater bottle here, so we are ready to roll. We got our sliced blood oranges. Let's jump into making that Sherry Cobbler. This is a shaken cocktail, so the first thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. And we're gonna need our jigger. We're also gonna need our glassware. Now, working cheapest to most expensive ingredients, we are going to go with a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup and 4 ounces of that Dry Amontillado Sherry. 2 and 4. Throw 2 of my half wheels in there. So this is traditionally served over a pellet ice. I'm just using my crushed ice from my refrigerator. So we are just gonna fill this glassware up. Nice and frosty, baby. And we're gonna ice our shaker tin all the way to the top. Oh yeah, seal her up. Shake for 12 seconds, nice and hard. "12 seconds. Just grab both our Hawthorne and our basket strainer and double strain. Run down. It's beautiful crushed ice. Grabbing one of our orange wheels here. Place that right on the edge of the drink. There you have it, guys, the Sherry Cobbler. All right, let's taste. Go ahead and get a straw going for this one. Man, for as simple as this is, that is so delicious and crushable. I completely understand why they call it a sherry cobbler. This beautiful sweetness from the simple syrup just kind of brightens up and elevates the Amontillado Sherry. You still get that touch of dryness, and the citrus, man, from that blood orange is a beautiful pairing with this. You get a little bit of tart, you get a little bit of like that hint of floral note that you get from blood orange versus just like regular orange. Perfect level of sweetness. Oh man, that is so crushable. Nice little low ABV cocktail, not overly boozy, but something you wanna be drinking on the patio for show. Wow. Love it. I dig it. There it is, guys. The sherry cobbler. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down, say for a later date. But either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell icon with notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.